Well, afternoon everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time since I've been out anywhere doing any walking or any filming, but it's the Easter bank holiday weekend. The weather has come out to make us feel really happy, which I'm enjoying the sunshine, making the most of it. I'm down here on the Dorset coastline at the moment, out for a short walk and an overnight wild camp somewhere along the way. Not too sure where yet, but I shall find a spot and take it from there really. But I'll bring you back later on and show you where I am. Glorious day, really is. It's just gone 6 o'clock in the evening. Sun's still fairly high in the sky. Got a couple of hours of light left. Just making my way along the coast, probably to somewhere around here. So I've walked down off the coast path onto this area down here on the other side, and behind this large bit of rock here there's a quarry entrance on the other side. You can come through, come out down here, and then you've got your own cliff edge experience basically. Come and sleep down here for the night if you want. This is room number 1. If you fancy something a little bit bigger, I've got a slightly bigger room for you. This is the bigger of the two. So quite a party in here. Room with a view. I think I might have found my place to sleep for the night. Well, here we are. This is home for the night. Nice little quarried out cave in the side of the rock face. You see all the way down there. So I've got about an hour before dark at the moment. Come down onto the cliff edges and found myself a spot for the night. So at the moment I'm planning on sleeping here tonight. Got my own little seat over there, or cooking area. It's ideal that. That's where I'm sleeping tonight. Going to sleep out in the open pretty much. This is my room with a view. Fantastic view it is. This place comes with all the mod cons. Over here we have the kitchenette. Unfortunately there is no running water, but I do have cooking facilities. Various places to sit yourself down on. Quite like this little stool over here. I'm pretty much set up for the night. I've just had some peanuts and set the place up. I've now got a can of Doom bar, so I'm going to crack that open and sit back and enjoy the view. Just watch the world go by and enjoy the evening. And then I'll get my head down and get up early tomorrow morning and make my way back to the car via whatever route I fancy. Cheers. So quite literally minutes apart, just down there, I've got the sun setting. Well, I say just down there, it's down there and round the end of the headland. Well, then I go over to my left. I've now got the moon rising. Sun setting, moon rising. I don't think I've ever had the privilege of seeing that before. Zoom a little, there we go. It's not quite focused, but that is definitely the moon. Right, so getting back to something serious, tonight I'm testing out something to eat food. This is the salmon and broccoli pasta. Hang on, let me get back in the camera view. Oh, there we go. So, salmon and broccoli pasta. Never had this before. I'll try it tonight and see how it goes. I've also got a chicken fajita with rice. Again, not had this one before. I'm not going to have it tonight, I'm not that hungry. But I may have that one tomorrow and then I'll let you know how it goes. Also, for breakfast, this is from Expedition Foods, expeditionfoods.com. I've got porridge with strawberries. Normally I have muesli with strawberries at home and a bit of yoghurt. So this is breakfast tomorrow. I'm interested to see how this turns out. But for the moment, I'm going to get the jet fuel going. So the water's boiled and I'm now adding it to the mix. Something there. There's some lines inside the packet which tells you where to put your water to. So now I've got to seal it up and leave that for the next sort of 7 to 8 minutes. Right, so it's been about 8 to 10 minutes now actually since put the water in here, and everything is starting to rehydrate, should we say. I think you could probably do with a little bit longer, but let's give it a taste. Not too bad, not too bad. I've had worse meals. I've possibly added a little bit too much water. I can definitely taste the salmon. It's not too bad. I'll finish it off and I'll come back later on and let you know. About 10 to 6 in the morning and the sun's just coming up. Lovely view. Nice warm glow to the sky. So you've still got the moon just about to go down over in the west there. Actually had a really comfortable night's sleep. Not too bad at all. It's about 10 to 7 in the morning. I had a relatively good night. Pretty quiet, peaceful. Just the sound of the waves and yeah, that was it, no interruptions at all really, really good. So this morning I'm going to be trying this Expedition Foods porridge with strawberries. Not had this before, so I'm interested to see how good it tastes. That's nice. You can really taste the strawberries in it. Yeah, that's one I'll definitely have again. That there is the Swanage Steam Railway. Now that you can see the engine. Disappearing up the valley.